Today we'll be starting with the seventh chapter, that is sources of business finance. Now, first of all, we need to understand that why do we need finance? What is finance? Finance is nothing else but money. ठीक है, हमें business करने के लिए why do we need money? Right? Now, basically there are two requirements: your fixed capital requirements and your working capital requirements. Fine. So we basically need finance to fulfill our working capital requirements and the fixed capital requirements. Now, what are fixed capital requirements? That is the amount of money that the business requires to acquire fixed assets. Okay, that is your building, your plant and machinery. ठीक है, जितने भी ये बड़े खर्चे करने के लिए पैसा चाहिए होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं हमारी फिक्स्ड कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट्स. एंड दीज फिक्स्ड कैपिटल एक्सपेंसेस दे आर नॉट इनकर्ड ऑन डेली बेसिस. Okay, they are incurred once in a long period of time. And then we have our working capital requirements. Working capital requirements, they are basically the amount of money which is required to carry out your day-to-day expenses of the business. All right, making the purchases of raw material and for the upkeep of the fixed assets that we've bought. Right? So basically it is to fulfill these two requirements, that is your fixed capital requirement and the working capital requirement that we need finance. Right? Now, after that, coming down to classification of sources of finance. In this chapter, basically, we'll be studying what are the different sources from where we can get, from where the business can get money, right?